My name is Craig Brazel. I am the coordinator and one of the professors in the Industrial Mechanic Millwright program at Sheridan College. Sheridan College is the sponsor of the Industrial Mechanic Millwright program. This year's competition has three distinct disciplines. We have a turning exercise on a lathe where the competitors have to turn a piece of steel to specific diameters, and the tolerances are very tight, about 1/10,000 of an inch. And then they have a pneumatics exercise where they use fluid power, which is air. The air that we breathe is compressed, and then they take that air, and with it being compressed, it can then do work because the pressure has built up. And then we have a mechanical alignment exercise where they basically do a coupling alignment, which basically means that they have a motor and a pump that run together. They're joined together by a coupling. As they run, if those two pieces of equipment are not running true together, the higher and faster something goes, the more potential there is for some serious damage to happen, like literally blow itself apart. We have 10 competitors in this year's competition from colleges throughout Ontario. The competition started at 8 o'clock this morning, and each discipline lasts 2.5 hours with a lunch break in between. The winner of this competition then will go on to represent Team Ontario at the national competition, which is in Quebec in the first week of June. The national competition is an expansion of what we have here, and it's over 2 days instead of 1 day. And in those 2 days, the competitors will have a number of different tasks to complete. And then at the end of the time, all those different tasks will marry together into the assembly of a piece of equipment, which is primarily what a millwright does. We're the doctors of industry, so to speak, and that's a phrase that Skills Canada put on us. We didn't make that up. So basically, any industrial environment that you could think of, any conveyor system, any fluid power system, the pharmaceutical industry, the food processing industry, oil and gas, the nuclear power industry, all of those industries were heavily involved in setting up and maintaining equipment in each of those facilities.